Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. Doesn't look good here really at the moment. It's come back quite deep into support. We've got support at 130, then 125. It really has to hold 125. If not, we have one more support level left. Let me just zoom out a bit. We've got one support level left at $1, but below $1, I would go bearish long term on RUNE because the long term chart isn't great, and if it's not holding the 125 level, chances will increase significantly that the $1 level is going to be tested and possibly will break as well. So for me, we are now at 136, so we are here very close to possible, let's say, invalidation of the orange support area, the support will be broken at 130. So it's decent reward to risk, right? I mean, at least the stop could be set at a very tight spot. This is where many novice traders typically fail because they get scared when we're deep in support. Now, of course it can fail, but at least reward to risk is really good. So I'm just highlighting that here. Not telling you to buy or anything, but you often see it in crypto that everything seems bearish, prices come back quite a lot, and indicators, however, are oversold, and we are deep in support, and then the price does react to the fib level and turns around, and then people chase. People are chasing. Whereas, buying close to support will at least put you in the position if the trade fails, you're not risking a lot because the stop can be quite tight. So that's normally the sweet spot, that pullback traders like to find. But yeah, it doesn't look good. I have to say that it doesn't look very good. Now, best I can offer here is a count as an ABC structure, that this is an A wave because it's impulsive. We should get at least a B wave bounce, from here. And that is likely because we're oversold on the 4-hour chart. I mean, last time we were oversold that much. That was here on the 11th of March, around 120. It rallied quite a bit. So let's see if we get something similar, at least in a B wave, and could come down then again in a C wave. But first of all, we need to see some kind of a reaction. I mean, you've got now as a micro count in this A wave. My take is we've done a wave 1, we've done a wave 2, done a wave 3, done a wave 4, and the wave 5 now has 5 waves as well. No, 1 second. Let me just go to the 1-hour chart. Might not have, you can get away with, but then this sideways move was very, very long, very strong. I think it might actually, looking at this, it might count better to look at this as a third here, very long wave 3, the fourth here, and we're now in the 5, but nearly finished this move down, I would say, because otherwise it doesn't fit from the proportions. But if you compare the wave 2 to the wave 4, that has the right look now. But yeah, ideally we need to see that reversal here shortly, and ideally we're turning around above 130. Below that I've got 125. Below that I really only have the $1 level, and below that we're going to turn bearish long term. Already below 125 I would go bearish short term, to be honest. But hey, let's see if the next week will be a bit of a relief rally. I would say there's a good chance, at least, because a lot of coins are now oversold on the 4-hour chart, on the RSI, including RUNE. Okay, that's my update about RUNE. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.